Come test drive the 2007 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote power door locks, rear wiper, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.